I'm Tom Kenny. I work here at Kenny Burns and McGill. I've been practicing law in the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania for almost 29 years now. People I found that aren't lawyers go every day to court when they do, and they are nervous as heck. They are just, they're shaking, their voice is funny, they look like they're a deer in the headlights. It's very disconcerting to go to court. My job, besides advocating, going in front of a judge, going in front of a jury, is I'm here to make you be relaxed in the process, understand the process. I'm not going to use big words because sometimes that's not the way to go. You have to explain things to people in common sense, everyday terms that we understand. I'm there for you, I'm your advocate, I'm there to help you. You've hired me. You've made a decision to privately hire an attorney. So my job is to make sure you know the process. I explain the parties, I explain who's there, I explain what to expect, I explain how this day might go. In today's session, what happened was I went to Montgomery County and I had a really good defense for my client. He had a commercial driving license and he was getting suspended. If he did not win this case today, he could not survive and make money for his family. So I went in early before the client got there. I spoke to the DA. I had an evidence package because I prepared the case, and I told them why our case was so defensible, why their case was weak. After much haranguing and talking and debating, the DAs agreed with me, and they agreed that they don't have a good case anymore. Once I realized that I was going to win today, I went outside, the client had showed up, I started joking with him, I started explaining. I knew what was going to happen already before it happened. Made him feel at ease, made his wife feel at ease, said this is how we do this, let's get this going. Oh, by the way, we won your case. What? We didn't even go to the courtroom yet. They were shocked. Of course, because we took care of it. I've already done the steps ahead of time to make you win today. That's what we're here to do. And I could not see any more happiness from this gentleman and his family. They were just so excited. All the nerves went out. They were smiling, they were hugging each other. I told him, now listen, I'm your lawyer, you have to do this. You have to go out and have a nice breakfast today, you have to have a nice day, spend some time in Montgomery County and enjoy the sights and have some meals.
Our strength in communication. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. We operate like a machine. We are a machine. You know, we do our best. We're not perfect, but we do our best to return everybody's phone calls within 24 hours. Again, because you're calling us because you have a problem, right? We're lucky to represent you. So no, I think our strength is communication, and we're very good in court, and we love what we do. I mean, Mr. Kenny and I love what we do, and we love going to court, and we love helping people. How can you not?
We take every case that we have very seriously. If you want a serious result, if you want an investigation, if you want the absolute best scenario, you want to get an experienced firm. That's what we are. We're experienced, we're knowledgeable, and we like to do the work. That's the most important thing. We're not here to make a quick deal and try to get out of court fast. It's what's best for the client. Some of my competition goes out there and just tries to settle the case immediately, no matter what result the client has, no matter what happens to the client, because they got paid and they decide, let's move this along. That's not the way to do it. The way to do it is to help your client get the best result possible.
We have a sterling reputation. We're known as ethical. We're known to be prepared. We're known to be very smart attorneys, very competent attorneys, if not excellent. And our integrity is probably one of those things that really everybody knows if we say something is true, something is true.